Many of us are cooking more at home and looking for that perfect recipe. Well, I love lobster rolls, so I am here with home chef Arabella, who is going to share her recipe with us. So how did you come up with this lobster roll recipe?
Yes, indeed. So I first discovered lobster roll at Sammy Hagar concert many years ago. And since then, I just started trial and error making a good lobster roll recipe, and then everyone loved it. So I'm going to share with you how to make it.
Yummy.
Yes. So start the ingredients. Some lobster, of course. Fresh lobster is the best. Okay. And then I'm going to start cutting some green onions. Now we're going to cut some celery. You want to make sure to cut it really, really thin. I'm going to start mixing the dressing first. I'm just going to put like 2 tablespoons. Yes. And I'm gonna use a little coleslaw dressing. The reason I'm using this is just to kind of enhance the flavor, the sweetness of the lobster. Just mix a little bit. I'm gonna mix it with the celery. And then the chopped onions. Now, I'm just gonna use half of it, Cindy, because the rest of it we're gonna put on top for presentation.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that tip. So you stir all that. Ooh.
Stir all that. I'm gonna mix Goya olive oil and some butter. Okay. And then I'm just gonna put it right here.
Ah.
You can also cut the tip of each tip so it doesn't curl up when you cook it.
Okay, so we're going to cook that for about 6 to 8 minutes until it is thoroughly cooked.
I think we are done.
Yummy.
It's so yummy.
Cutting the lobster, yummy.
Lobster. Yeah, you don't want to cut too small because people want to taste lobster meat, you know. You want to cool it off a little bit, so wait 1-2 minutes before you put it on the dressing.
Put it into the dressing.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. So we have this New England style buns. Okay. So we're gonna toast it, just the outside of it, the exterior, the nice crispy browns, so the inside will be warm.
And you put a little butter in there.
I'm gonna put a little butter in it. Yes, exactly.
New England buns.
Yeah, New England buns. Some more. While it's browning, I'm gonna mix everything close.
Yeah, the claws that you already boiled
Oh my goodness! Look at those colors. Oh my. And just be very careful. You don't want to break it when you mix it. All right. So we have all this lobster claw and the lobster tail. You're gonna want to mix it slowly and gently. We have our bun ready. Ooh, it's beautiful.
Perfect.
Perfect. This is what I'm talking about. See, it stands straight on the plate. Now you want to put the tail first and put the claws on top because the colors of the claws, the red, it's just nice for presentation. You know, you almost can go wrong with it. Now, I'll serve it with truffle fries. We just gonna put it on top.
Okay, I see. Oh, bon appetit.
Maybe I put too much of the lobster in it.
Never have too much lobster. Oh, the flavors are perfect.